name is Cartoon. In this video, I will show you how I made my backless slip dress using satin fabric. This dress is very easy to make, so let's begin. I have this very nice satin fabric and I wanted to make a dress out of it since we're invited to a wedding party. I was looking for an inspiration and I found the pictures of Dakota Johnson wearing this beautiful dress, so I decided to recreate this dress. For the cups, cut the fabric following this instruction. Then cut the fabric to make 4 straps. Fold the fabric wrong side up and sew about 5 millimeters. Then double stitch 3 millimeters. Turn the strap right side out with a loop turner. Next, pin the strap in the middle of the cup piece on the right side of the fabric. And sew 5 millimeter seam allowance. Then flip the cup inside out. And gather the bottom of the cup. Cut the fabric to make the front and the back bodice following this instruction. Pin the cups facing the right sides together. And sew 1 centimeter seam allowance. Next, measure your strap length. Pin the back strap next to the bottom of the cup. Then sew. Then overlock the seams in order to stop the fabric from fraying. Next, cut two lining pieces. One is for the front and another one is for the back. And attach them to the bodice. Overlock and hem the edge of the lining. Take one strap and pin it 1 cm away from the underbust line. Cut 2 more straps about 5 to 6 cm and make loops. Then pin the loops between the bodice and the lining. The loops will be on the waistline. Do everything the same on another side. So, overlock the seams again. Next, pin the back bodice to the front bodice. The lining will be attached to the lining and the bodice will be attached to the bodice. so 1 centimeter seam allowance. And overlock the seams. I forgot to separate the back bodice when I cut the fabric, so I have to cut it here. Then insert an invisible zipper. I recommend you to seal the edges before sewing because the fabric is falling apart very easily, as you can see. At the bottom of the skirt, I sealed the edges with the serger and hemmed the skirt. For the final touch, I ironed every seam and straps to get a neat finish. And the dress is done. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.